Hello! Shadowcat back with more Guild Wars 2.
Yes, and I'm Blizzard Star. And we are here. Yay.
That was fairly comprehensive. Thank you for that.
We are in the jungle after we saved our some of our packmates. Better?
Yeah, that is woefully inadequate. More importantly, we are in the jungle after we saved our squad mates. After Mordremoth completely annihilated the entire packed fleet in one fell swoop.
Yeah, he's an angry dragon. Go figure.
Every single airship. And about half of the Sylvari.
Yep. Only the weak and the stupid.
So, yeah, about half of the Sylvari.
Yes. Are we calling half of the population of Safari stupid and weak shrubs?
I could go with more than half.
Ooh, feisty.
I know. So, what are we doing now? I don't know. I think, however, there's a person over there we gotta talk to.
Probably. So let's shake our tail.
Wow, that's quality armor.
Thank you so much.
You, the scout.
Take a look.
Please, don't hurt me.
Glad you're here, Commander.
swear, I
The
won't
pack
harm
still need your help, especially with all the distrust being aimed at Sylvari.
I'll do what I can, but I've got to find Destiny's Edge and Traherne. Mordrim took them all prisoner. They could be anywhere. I need to know where they were taken, or at least find someone who knows the lay of the land.
I've seen Mordrum, force marching high-value prisoners west, deeper into the jungle. It's not much, but it's a start. As for knowledge of the terrain, if you head north, you'll also run into a village of local Hylic called Itzel. They're fast and
First the
agile,
pale tree.
and they know how to get around. With their help, your search will go a lot faster. But the first thing I do is check in at the large pact camp in the west. The people there should know more. Oh, and keep that glider handy. Navigating the jungle is dangerous. One wrong step around here can be fatal.
Alright, well to do. Thank you.
Alright, so where are we going first? Are we going to see the Itzel?
I guess so.
Or, no. It says we're supposed to check in with Ensign Wilton at the main packed camp. Hold on, let me get my map out. Where is this place?
That is a very good question. I'm not seeing it.
It is far out there.
Yeah.
And this place is absolutely unnavigable.
The pack still needs
Really?
your help, especially
So
with
I
the
think
distrust being aimed at
that we can
Sylvari.
head north from here,
I'll do what I can,
and at the
but I've got to
fork,
find Destiny's Edge and
where the
Traherne.
river is.
Mordrim took them all
We take a
prisoner.
left.
Okay.
They could
After
be
that, we should be able to follow the road.
I need to know where
Sounds
they were
good.
taken,
Let's go.
or at least find someone who knows the lay of the land.
Assuming, of course, that I can navigate this. You ready?
Force marching
Not
high-value
really, but
prisoners
do we have a
west,
choice?
deeper into the
Jump
jungle.
for it.
It's not much, but it's a start. As for knowledge of the terrain, if you head north, you'll also
Okay, so this is following the road
they're fast and agile.
to the river, right there.
With their
And
help,
then we turn left.
but the first thing I do is check in at the large pact camp in the west.
Perfect.
The people there should know more.
And I think that we can follow this road?
Jungle is dangerous. One wrong step around here can be fatal.
Gonna bleed out.
Assuming, of course, that, things will leave us along long enough to do so.
That's a question.
I can't hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
It's a pretty tough little thing.
No, every single rock that I threw at it missed.
Where did it go? Oh.
It's right here. I know, just kind of like teleported. I think maybe we want to go down there? This seems crazy, but sure. Let's try it. There we go.
Woohoo!
That was like an angry bug.
It does look like a very angry bug.
Where did you go?
I went up in the sky. I'm flying. Woohoo!
Why did I do that? Do you even know where you're going?
Maybe? Oh
I
god.
know what. I know what your sense of direction is like.
Yes. Non-existent.
Exactly. Where have you gone?
What, 20 leagues behind you?
What? How?
So I'm fighting a giant beetle?
But the... Stop breaking my brain! Just
No! It's so much
stop it.
fun! It's so much fun.
You are a ranger, not a mesmer, not a thief.
Uh-huh.
Stop teleporting. You were ahead of me, then you ended up behind me.
Yes, I am.
I do not want to fight anything.
No, neither do I. Ow, ow, ow.
However,
It wants to fight
I don't
us.
get a whole lot of choice.
No.
Still alive.
You're welcome. Oh, there's so
What?
many things.
I don't want to have anything to do with this.
That's good, because I don't either. But you want to have something to do with this.
Ow! I just got beetle tossed.
You did get beetle tossed. What kind of beetle is that, do you know?
It's a big one. And an angry one.
It's very angry. And why do you provoke them?
Ow! So I can get beetle tossed again, that's why.
I see.
Anger rising.
Stupid bugs. Okay, I think we go up this way. I think. I'm not positive. I may have to get the map back out.
Oh, something tells me this is going to be full of mazes and things I'll get lost in.
Oh, absolutely. This place is a nightmare.
Ugh. Down?
Our destination should be around here somewhere, though. Hold on, I'm going to check the map.
Okay.
So we are here. We need to go to there. Actually, I think we do need to go down.
Educated guess. Maybe take this fork on the road? Aha!
I do think this is where we're supposed to go.
It looks like all of our friends here. Hello, Ensign.
How can I help you, Commander?
Marshal Traherne and Destiny's Edge were taken prisoner. I'm trying to track them down. Do you know anything?
I haven't seen them, except for Kaith. She wasn't on board the fleet when it launched, but she's definitely here.
Kate's here? When did you see her? Where did she go?
She came through a few hours ago, heading west. She was trying to keep a low profile, but I spotted her.
Was she wearing a large backpack?
I think so. I only caught a glimpse. You of all people know how stealthy she can be. What was in the backpack?
Something important to me. And when I catch up to her, I'm going to take it back. Thanks very much.
Good luck. Ask around before you leave. A lot of these soldiers have seen things I haven't. Things that could be useful.
Alright.
Well, I mean, at least someone had eyes on Kaith.
Yeah, thank God. Hello, Pat? Our scout?
Commander, it's good to see a familiar face.
I'm heading deeper into the jungle to find Traherne and Destiny's Edge. Any advice?
Navigation's tough. If you've got ground to cover, it's going to be slow going without the right equipment. Make sure your glider's in working order, and take time to learn all you can about the local mushrooms. One thing I've learned here, when you're in a hurry, gliders and mushrooms turn impassable terrain into shortcuts.
Good to know. Thank you, soldier.
And I'm listening to this person telling me the same thing over again.
Yeah. No.
I heard you were here, Commander. Welcome to hell. Since the crash, some pack troops think my people are all enemy agents. They mean me harm. It's not safe for me here. But I can't leave. Traversing the jungle without a glider is next to impossible. I'm stuck here with people who hate me.
I say stick close to other Sylvanas.
I don't know why he had to tell me everything twice, but, I mean, he did.
Stop them
Yeah.
from doing any harm. I've got to keep moving. Good luck, soldier.
Yeah, I had to talk to the same person twice for some reason as well.
Commander, we need some leadership here. When are we withdrawing?
We're not. If we leave now, Mordramoth will have time to produce a horde of minions that's too large to contain.
But the fleet's gone. We lost so many soldiers. And the Sylvari are all traitors.
Not all. Listen close, soldier. If we run, Mordramoth will be unstoppable by the time we get where we're going. Now fall in, get organized, and do your duty. Mordramoth hit us hard, and we have to hit back.
Alright. Alright, apparently we have to talk to a soldier.
I don't know. I haven't talked to them yet. Look at her fancy bow.
Isn't it pretty?
How come your bow isn't that fancy?
Because that's a good question.
Bad shape.
Okay, Scout, what have you seen?
I can barely move.
Okay, gliders and mushrooms. I mean, that should be pretty easy.
Yeah.
Except I was told not to eat mushrooms.
Yeah, I don't think mushrooms are good for our digestive systems. So we have to go somewhere? Maybe up?
We have to go up.
How do we get up?
Mushrooms?
Maybe mushrooms?
Well, I mean, that's what the Norn said.
Well, that's true.
I guess not those mushrooms, though.
I guess not. Maybe up this way? Oh.
Maybe. Or hell, if it gets us up high enough, maybe we can fly to where we need to go.
Maybe. Well, they did say something about gliders and mushrooms, so...
Oh, wait, I think we need to get up there. Also, there's a bug following you.
I noticed. It's a stupid wasp.
Well, here you go. This is what you get, bug.
You squished that bug.
Yes, I did. Okay. Hup.
Up we get.
That was close.
Wait, where did you go?
Out here.
I went up? I went up this big pile of rocks? I guess that works too.
Oh, well, I mean, we both got to where we needed to go.
Yep.
I mean, I did it the fun way.
I guess
Oh,
we
I
do
see
have
them
to-
over there.
Yeah, we do have to glide over. Whoop! Hello, Scout. Good to see you.
Commander, glad to have you with us.
I can't stay. I need to find where the Mordrim take their high-value prisoners.
All the prisoner trains I've seen go west, especially ones with officers and the like.
What do you know about the Itzel?
The tree frogs to the northeast? Not much. They're quick. They move through the canopy like they were born in it. I think they're friendly, but with all the Mordrim activity around here, I'm guessing they have to play it safe. Anyway, you'll need help if you're heading west. Ask the Itzel. They'll know the best way to get where you're going.
Alright.
But we talked to the frogs.
We talked to the frogs, yep.
We came all the way out here to be told to go talk to the frogs.
When we know we have to talk to the frogs.
Yeah. So... It's a bit of a run from here, but we can make that.
Yes, let's go and move.
So if we can get to the main road to the east...
Yep.
We can follow that up through the big clearing.
Yep.
We take that through the pass, turn left, and we should be at our contact point.
All right. Are you ready to go?
No, but let's just do the best we can, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Every time we screw up, though, it seems to work in our favor. So I mean, what's the worst that can happen?
That's a very good point.
And hey, we can take this little shortcut up here, and this might work out for us.
It just might.
Or maybe
lead
this
us
is where we're
into
supposed to go in
death.
the...
Yeah.
This might have been the way we're supposed to go in the first place.
Oh, well, there you go.
I don't know. I can't navigate this. But I think that pass right there is where we need to go. So just aim for the gap in the rocks.
Okay. Deal.
I think. Or maybe we should be taking that pass?
I don't know. Make a decision.
Oh. No, we need to go this way. I'm making a decision.
Okay.
It's an executive decision.
Okay.
Which makes me the executive.
The executive. Okay. If you say so.
I don't get paid like an executive, though.
No, you don't. Do we get paid at all?
No. Hey, stop that. You want to keep this up? It's not going to end well for you. I'm going to spike you. All right, fine. Have it your way.
Anger rising. Armored up. Wash the pain away.
Yeah, my staff is not doing anything. Time to hit him with a big hammer.
I could use your staff right about now.
Okay.
I have the hurdies.
You do have the hurdies. And you smote him good. Alright, let's go.
Okay. Well, the Itzel should be around here somewhere, so shall we?
Shall.
So, boss, sorry, Commander, did you learn anything from the other survivors?
The Pact soldiers all talk about prisoners being taken deeper into the jungle.
Then we need to go deeper into the jungle. I'm ready.
Hold on. We don't know this region, but there are potentially friendly Hylic nearby, and we could use their help.
For what? We can handle anything this jungle throws at us. We know where to look. Let's start looking.
Not without better intel. We're in Mordremoth's territory, and I won't let us get ambushed like the fleet was.
But we're not... Okay, fine. Let's talk to these Hylic.
Commander, look! Over there!
Thanks, Rox.
Mordrem Guard! Let's show these new Hylic which side we're on. Move out!
These Hylic aren't like any I've seen. Beautiful colors, though.
They won't be so nice to look at once those Mordrem Guard get hold of them.
We won't let that happen. Hit him hard, people.
Say, perhaps we should just get going.
We probably should.
Instead of talking about it.
Oh, but so much fun to talk. Alright.
Time to go.
Charge!
I did charge. It didn't work well. I am crippled in all kinds of bad things.
Oh. Really? Enough of the knocking down. Get off
No,
me.
I think it's their specialty. Oh, and don't step on those lines in the ground. They hurt.
I've noticed.
It's these guard snipers who keep doing it.
Alright.
And there's still one left.
I think we got him. Hello. Itzel?
Glad you strangers showed up. I am Ibli, of the Itzel Heilig. Welcome, and thank you.
I'm glad we could help. We've also lost people to the Mordrum, and we'd like your assistance in getting them back.
Of course. We have a common enemy. We need to warn our village. But come with us and meet our Kana, Chieftain. We can't help you if we are not safe. But if you help us secure the village, I'm sure the Kana will offer her support.
Excellent. Let me speak with my people, and then we'll be honored to meet your chieftain.
Alright.
Yay, Frog Chief. I'm not eating bugs.
Air and the others are in danger. I'm not going to waste time making introductions. I volunteer to scout ahead.
Bad idea. We can't risk getting separated. I also prefer to work alone, but we don't always get what we want.
I'll go with Erson. We'll pick up the trail while the rest of you make contact with these Itzel.
Agreed. Ritlock and Bram, see what you can see and don't go too far without us. The rest of you, with me.
Alright.
Seems like a bad idea.
This does seem like a very bad idea.
We're ready to help. Lead the way.
I like the big guy's hammer, though.
It's a pretty scary hammer.
A little more time and I'll have a handle on them.
I bet my whiskers on that, Kaz. For the Itzel, I mean. I'm not so sure about the big guy.
The big guy is Tizlak of the New Hawk. Ibli and I are a team. Our people are allies. And I have excellent healing.
Hi, Tizlak. Nice work with the hammer back there.
Oh, well, glad Rox agrees with me.
Our scouts have returned. Inform the Kana right away.
The plant ghouls keep coming. Stronger each time.
We have to alert the village, but then we send someone back to tend to the fallen.
I'll remember.
Okay, any fallen back there I think are beyond tending.
Yeah, they're probably going to be swallowed by the jungle not too soon. But let's not upset our new potential allies.
Mordrum are massing in huge numbers just outside the village.
No, we did not see them. But we killed a handful of them.
Yeah.
Commander, as we go deeper into Mortremoth's territory, I trust you'll make it clear which side I'm on. I don't want the Itzel, or anyone else, mistaking me for a Mordrum guard or a packed turncoat.
Will do.
It would be cruel irony for me to die wrongly accused.
Don't worry, I'll vouch for you.
Fair enough. I would also hate for Canuck to die wrongly accused. He should be properly accused first.
Yes, right? How far up are we going?
I have no idea. We're running out of tree.
Right?
It's getting worse, Mother. Kana, the Mordrum Guard are preparing for a major attack.
At least we have some warning this time. Well done. Wait, your party is too small. Where are the rest of your scouts?
Fallen. Taken. And if not for these new arrivals, we would be too.
The jungle provides. Thank you, strangers. Are you also here to help us protect our village?
We are. The Mordrum are a threat to us, too. We're here to stop them. Your people and mine can help each other.
I say we strike first and hit the Mordrum as they muster. They won't expect us to attack them.
Too risky. Our people here need protection. We should focus on improving the village's defenses.
What say you, strangers? Amayale sent you to us. I would appreciate your counsel.
What do you think?
Come, strangers. We can cut down the Mordrum Guard before they ever reach the village.
Well, let's ask.
Yeah, let's ask our party. Timey?
The bad guy to good guy ratio's all wrong. I say we balance the equation by taking out the Mordrum in the jungle.
That's fair.
That's a fair point. Perhaps we can poison their next meals.
Probably. Rocks?
I say we defend the village. No matter how many Mordrim come, these tight spaces will work in our favor.
Choking point. She's using tactics.
Tactically it's sound, but we could still be overrun.
That's true. Kaz?
There are too many innocents here. We should dig in and help them defend themselves.
Kaz agrees with Rocks. Marjorie?
Let's head out. If we wipe out the attacking force, the village won't need defenses.
That's true.
Solve the problem at its source.
We have 2 and 2.
Well, what do you think?
I think if we take out the Mordrim coming, then the village will be protected. They won't need to defend themselves.
Proactive solution.
Yes, exactly.
I'm in agreement with that.
Okay.
Alright. Let's agree with the big guy then.
Yes. We agree with your style.
Not much time left. You must decide, or I shall be forced to go without you.
Mordrim sees this.
Mordrim see this village as an easy target. I want to show them we Hylek can hurt them as much as they hurt us. We should attack.
I'm with you. Let's take the fight to them.
The newcomers agree with me. We should attack.
Very well. Strangers, if this works, I promise that in turn our scouts will help you find your friends. Good luck.
With respect, Kana, if you'd seen our new friends fight, you'd know we don't need luck.
That's very nice
Nope,
of you.
we just need friends.
Friends that can help us whack them, hopefully.
And I can make more friends.
Alright.
These Mordrim guard, are they as much trouble elsewhere as they are here?
Yes, they're new. And compared to the rest of Mordremoth's slaves, they're the least mindless and the most dangerous.
That is troubling. But the jungle provides, and until now we've been on our own. I'm glad you're here.
I don't know if your jungle brought us here, but we are definitely going to help with your Mordrim problem.
Alright.
Well, here they come.
Yep. Time to take on the big trees.
I'm gonna bring out more elementals.
That's helpful.
It's fine. I keep forgetting I should start with that.
That's probably smart.
Probably. But you know me and doing smart things.
I need lots of room to fight, so I say let's move out and hit them before they hit us.
Agreed. Let's go. The best offense is a good defense. Or good defense is best off. Whatever.
Never, just hit them.
Yes.
Yeah, dodge that, huh? You can't dodge a whole bunch of rocks. Even though you're probably partially made of rocks.
Partially.
They're made of plant, at least.
Plants can be smashed through, I think.
So, I mean, they could be part earth, right?
I suppose so.
That is interesting.
That looks like a giant vine nest.
Those plant people have done a lot of damage, and they mean to do more. We have to stop them here.
Alright.
Stand back.
Boom. Hello, Mordrim. This is a bad idea.
Oh well. Every idea is a bad idea in some point in someone's eyes.
There we go. Mordrim are dead. So we'll just hold this spot for a moment. Anything coming?
Not that I see. Seems pretty quiet.
Too quiet.
Right? I don't like that.
We can't let the Mordrim Guard take back this territory. Someone needs to hold the ground we've cleared.
I understand. I'll send word to the Itzel scouts. They'll keep what we claim.
Alright.
He's got a big mouth.
Well, he's a frog? Toad?
I know, he's a big frog.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, though.
Oh my.
More of them.
Definitely.
Time to go make some friends. And with the Signet Elementals, make some friends.
Yay! All the friends.
Oh, come on, die already.
Mordrim speaks again. It knows we're here, and it's trying to twist my thoughts. Pathetic.
I need you to take this more seriously. The last thing we need is another Silvari surprise.
Don't worry about me. The harder Mordrim tests me, the harder I resist.
Good to know,
Well,
Knock.
that's helpful, at least.
Yes. Alright, Tizlak, where are we going next?
He seems to know.
Thank God one of us does.
That should teach the Mordrim. Oh, look there, near that strange blister. It's one of our fallen scouts.
Uh-oh.
They were dragged here, just like the Pact soldiers. But what's happening to them?
Mordrim take a body from the battlefield and turn it into many monsters. So we always burn our dead immediately.
Mordrim is using them for something. I say we keep our dead out of its clutches. Destroy those blisters, now!
I can do that. Rumble, rumble, rumble.
Ew.
And pop. Oh!
Oh, I think we awakened something mad.
Yeah, and Mordrim is pissed.
Yeah.
I'm in bad shape.
I need to summon more things. Are you surviving?
Possibly. It sucks being the squishy wizard right now.
Watch those snipers. Okay. Next blister.
Alright, you big
Okay.
ugly plant thing.
Behind us. I like these snipers. I mean, whatever they do, it hurts.
Yeah. That's why I'm not gonna get near them.
Those blister chambers. It's like some twisted mockery of the grove.
I'll hold this area. Leave it to me. You keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. Oh, down there. Gotcha. Painful.
Very much so.
Oh, mostly because those snipers make it impossible to stand anywhere. I mean, on a certain level, I respect him. But, you know, on another level, I'm kind of pissed off by him.
Right? Kindly go away and disintegrate.
Wilt and perish.
Exactly. Thank you. Ow, 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 ow.
Say, get up. You're not allowed to go down here. I am somehow stuck here.
That's not good.
No, it's not. Why is it always me that gets stuck in things?
I don't know. Do you just have that luck?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I need help.
All I
Need
can say
help.
is good luck.
Need help. Need help.
I can't help you. I'm stuck inside the what's left of the pod.
Oh.
I can't get out. And I have the worst vantage point possible. However, I can stab things that come near me.
That's good.
So, I mean, that's helpful.
Oh no. I'm down.
I can summon things. And I'm out. Ha ha! I cannot be stopped. Mordrum may try to drag me down. I will not be dragged down. Now die.
If you can come and get me, that would be most appreciated.
I don't even know where you are.
I'm on the edge of the battlefield.
So you are. Okay, now get up. Oh, hey, Tizlak's coming down here.
Hey guys. Oh.
So you got your tail kicked and the jungle itself tried to eat me.
Yes, it did. Hello, Tizlak.
Tizlak. Well done. Katt and I sent us to support you, but it doesn't look like you need any help.
We do not. The Mordrum Guard didn't expect us to attack them, let alone beat them.
Katt and I extends our gratitude to your new friends. She asks you to provide the guidance they seek.
I'm ready. Just as the jungle provided the strangers to us, she now provides us to them.
Thank you both. 2 of my people went on ahead. We need to find them and press on as quickly as possible.
Oh yeah. That's
Oh, fantastic.
We have Tizlak to come and help us.
We have new allies in general, all
Yeah.
of the Itzel.
Yeah, we do. That's helpful.
And I will take a giant frog with a giant hammer any day.
Right?
So now the question is, where is everyone else?
That's a very good question. I guess deeper into the jungle.
I guess so. So, in that case, I guess we'll go back to the Itzel village,
I guess
and
so.
we'll find out what they know.
Yep.
They should be able to point us in the right direction, at least.
I should hope so.
Yeah, I would hope so, too.
Yeah.
So that being said, I guess we're going to go ahead and take a break here.
Yep.
We did a good thing today.
We did do a good thing. We helped a bunch of frogs.
And we struck a blow against Mordremoth.
That too.
I mean, that was good, too.
That's definitely helpful.
Alright, so if you want to see just where Bram and Ritlock made it off to, I don't know, somewhere in the jungle.
Yep.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you hear for every video when they come out.
And give us a big old claw thumbs up if you enjoy seeing us beat some war drum with a bunch of frogs.
Or get beaten.
Or get beaten.
Or get sucked into the ground.
That too.
You know, whatever floats your boat.
Yep.
Then come back or share this video out, leave a comment, and we will see you next time for more Guild Wars 2. Until then, take care.
See you later. Bye.